everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Saputri Daniyatul Karomah, and today we are diving into a topic that often confuses many people. That is the use of article a and an in English. These little words might seem simple, but they play a crucial role in understanding proper grammar. So let's explore together how to use a and an correctly. Then we are going to talk about what is a and an. Firstly, it's important to understand that both of them are indefinite articles. That means they don't refer to a specific thing, but rather to any one of a group of nouns. They're like general markers, introducing a noun without specifying which one. In other way, these articles help us determine whether the noun we're talking about is specific or general. A is used before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound, while an is used before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound. This distinction helps us clarify our meaning and communicate more effectively. The next is the use of a. The article a in English is commonly used before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Let me give you some examples. When we say a book, it could be any book on the shelf, not a specific one. A car, we can imagine any car passing by, not a particular model. And then the same goes for a house and even a frog. They're not specific. But here's a little trick. Even if a word starts with a vowel, like university, if it makes a consonant sound like U, using Y, so we still use article a. Then it's become a university, not a university. Now, a isn't just for object. We also use it for jobs or professions. For instance, if someone works in education but we're not sure which type, we can say she is a teacher. Similarly, if someone practices medicine without specifying the field, we can say he is a doctor. The next is the use of an. The article an is used before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound. The vowel sound is A, I, U, E, and O. The article an is one of the two indefinite articles in English that is used before singular nouns to indicate that the object or concept referred to is one of many possible object or concept. Here's the example, the use of an that's starting with a vowel sound. The first is an apple. When we say an apple, this refers to any apple in general, not a specific apple. The article an indicates that we are talking about one of many apples that could exist. The same goes for an umbrella, an orange, and an artist. Article an can also be used before words that start with letter H. Although H is usually considered a consonant letter, there are some words where H starts with a vowel sound or is silent. In this case, an is used. For the example is an hour, an honor, and an honest. In some of the sentences above, the H letter is silent. Alright guys, after we have learned together about how to use article a and an in English, here are some fun quizzes I will give to you to test your understanding of this topic. If you know the answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below. That's all from me everyone. I hope this video helps you understand when to use a and an better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more language tips, see you in the next video.